To finish, I'll be speaking on the Arctic Peninsula. The threats posed in Antarctica have to do with the melting of the ice that exists there. The living conditions are changing, as well as the wildlife there, and the physical makeup of the area. This area is susceptible because it contains so much ice, and with any change of temperature comes manipulation of that ice. The temperature of Antarctica as a whole is predicted to rise by a small amount over the next 50 years. Any increase in the rate of ice melting is expected to be at least partly offset by increased snowfall as a result of the warming. Communities are not expected to change much. Not many people live in these areas. Anyone who does live in these areas may see a change in vegetation and wildlife. The solutions are to spread awareness to people all over the world to find ways to reduce their emissions. This is the only way to try to do our part to stop warming from happening.